Okay, let's start our demo. Let's see if anybody joins in middle. They can join. So let's start. Let me switch on my video. At least you should know my face, right? For the people who are totally new.
Rajesh, only one
Uh,
second. Only 1 second. 1 second.
okay, able to see my screen, right? Able to see my video, right?
Yes, Rajesh.
Okay. Yeah, people are joining now.
Yes, good morning.
Hi Gaurav, good morning.
क्या हाल है?
Yeah, going good. Hi Srilata, good morning.
Hi Rajesh, good morning.
Okay, so let us start our demo on SAP Basis and HANA. So before starting, let me introduce myself. I have total 6 years of experience, 6 plus years of experience into Basis and HANA. Currently working as a team lead in one of the service based company. So I just started planning to take some real time classes on SAP Basis and HANA. So I got many requests from the one of so many friends. So I thought to start a classes on this. So this is just all about me. So before starting our class, right, just I want each and everyone to talk just the name and they are from and from whom you got the link. Just three words. So each and everyone can start, or else let me take the names so they can start. First, Anusha.
Hello, myself Anusha. I am from Chennai. I got this link from my brother, Kata Jagdish. Thank you.
Okay, okay. Yeah, Ishwar.
Hi, Rajesh. Myself Ishwar. I am from Hyderabad. Currently, I am working with Kerber Building System as a system administrator. I got the link from Rajesh.
Okay, system administrator. Okay, so it means in a company system administrator.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
okay, okay, good. Yeah, if you have any experience also, yes, you can tell me, and if you are a fresher also, you can tell me. Yes. Yeah, Gaurav.
Hi, Gaurav Pandey this side from Race Power Infra, Gurgaon.
Okay. So yeah, I got a link from me only, right?
I
Okay.
have 10-year experience in IT technical support
Hmm.
and link received from Rajesh ji.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Next, Girish. Hello, Girish. You are there? Let's continue. Pavani.
Hi Rajesh, I'm Bhavni. I got this link from last present working in TCS company as discussed.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Next, Rajesh Gorenka.
Hi, good morning all. I'm Rajesh Gorenka. I'm from Hyderabad and I have 2 years of experience in non-IT sector.
Non-IT.
And I got this link from Rajesh.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Next, Rajesh Papu.
Hi, this is Rajesh. Are you hear me, Rajesh?
Yes. Yes. I can able to hear.
I am working from Tagurno company in Durgam Cheru. I
Okay.
have only 1 year of experience in IT.
Okay. Okay. Good.
Yeah.
Next, Shubham Bangle.
Hello guys, my name is Shubham and I am from New Delhi. I have 1.2 years of experience as a SAP system administrator
Hmm.
and I have got that link from Rajesh only. Thank
Okay.
you.
Okay. Yeah. So currently working in
Sorry,
currently working with.
I am an SAP system administrator.
Okay. 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 Next, Srilata.
Yeah, hi Rajesh. I'm from Hyderabad. I got this link from Shiva, my brother. I'm a
Shiva.
fresher. Yeah,
Okay.
Infosys,
Okay. Shivaram, right?
Venkata Shiva Ramakrishna.
Okay. Okay. Good. Okay. So let us start our demo. So you can see my screen, right? I'm just switching off my video to my share my screen. Okay. So let me share. And one more thing I want to tell. So actually this is a free trial link. So maybe after 60 minutes I think that meeting session will be disconnected. I will give you one more link. So if this is getting disconnected, right, then you can join to that link. Let me ping you in the meeting. So just save this link first in the notepads. So if this meeting got disconnected, right, you can connect to this link. Okay. Okay, so let me start. I'm sharing my screen. The screen. Yes, able to see my screen, right?
Yes.
Yes,
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 yes.
yes.
Yes. Okay. Okay. So anyone has idea about SAP, like what is SAP and what is the use of SAP? Anyone here? So people who already working, like Shubham, he may have some idea, but people apart from Shubham, Gaurav, so anyone has idea about SAP?
Yeah, Rajesh, actually, SAP is a ERP software. ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning, where we need to have to take data processes and we have to accumulate the data and like work over that.
Okay. Okay. So apart from Shubham, anyone? Just a basic idea. If you are wrong or right, no problem. Just speak out. I'm not judging you, so just speak out. If you know even a single point, also you can speak.
SAP is a system application product developing tool. All the modules in one place, centralized tool to use the business.
Hmm. Okay. Okay. So any other wants to try? Okay. So silent. No one wants to try. Okay. No problem. Okay. Yeah. This screen you can able to see, right?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So
Yes.
today we'll discuss on these topics. Okay. So what is ERP and what is SAP and why SAP is so big in the ERP market? And then the SAP we have many modules, so we'll discuss each and every module, how it works, and what is basis. So this is the right, this is the to this class when we have joined basis and HANA. So what it is exactly? So why we are choosing only SAP basis apart from other modules in SAP? So that also we'll see today. Okay, so let's second I think one. Harish. Hello, hi Harish, good morning. Hello, Harish, able to hear my voice?
Yeah, bro. Yeah, bro. I'm
Okay.
sorry for me.
Okay, so just want to know about yourself, your name and your
Yeah, my name is Harish Raj.
okay,
So
from you're from.
my name is Harish Raj and I'm from Vizag.
Okay. Okay,
Okay.
so from whom you got this link?
Yeah, from Rajesh I got this link.
Okay. Okay, Rajesh friends. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so just we have started, Arish. We have not started yet. So you can able to see my screen, right?
Yeah, bro.
Okay. Yeah. So these are the topics we are planning to discuss today.
Okay.
Okay. So let's discuss one by one. So
Okay.
before so before starting about SAP, so let's discuss about some a real time example. For some time, forget about SAP, forget about IT, any everything. So let's discuss one small example. So you can see the screen, right? PPT screen.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Uh, Let me make it big. Okay, yeah, this is right. Okay, so let's take one a business. So so each and every business has some process. Okay, so they strictly follow that. Wherever you go, even in India, US, Germany, wherever you go, they have business and they have a process. They will follow that process. Okay, so let us example. So you are a customer, right? So my voice is clear to everyone, right?
Yes, yes, Rajesh.
Okay.
Yeah, Rajesh. Yeah.
Okay, 1 second, someone has joined, I guess. uh, Hello, hi Nageshwar.
Hello, sir.
uh, Hi Nageshwar, good morning. So
Yeah,
you are from?
I'm from Hyderabad.
Okay, so from whom you got this link?
No, Rakesh sent it to me yesterday.
Uh-huh. Okay, good. So you can able to see my screen, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay, so we just started. Okay, so today is SAP demo, right? So we are all discussing about this topic, CRP, what is SAP, why SAP is big. Okay, so
O-
before starting this demo, I am taking one example, a business example.
Okay.
Okay, so this is a screen. So as I said, each and every business has a process and they will follow that process very strictly. Okay, so when a customer, suppose you are a customer, you are you want to buy a bike. Suppose an example, you wants to buy a bike or a car. Okay, so what you'll do, you'll go to that company, right? You'll go to that company, you'll talk with the sales team, like I need that particular XYZ car. Then what sales will do, sales will check whether that particular vehicle is there in that company or not, that stock is there in the company or not. So from where it will check, they go to inventory department, and from the inventory department they will check whether the stock is available or not. If stock is available, yes, the customer will pay the money and the product will be delivered to customer. Okay, suppose if a stock is not there, so then what happens, inventory team will go to the production planning. They will say like, we got a customer, so they need some product but the product is not available. So inventory team will go to production planning. Next what they will do, for suppose for manufacturing a car, suppose let us take a Maruti car. So for developing, for manufacturing the car, Maruti car, he need a raw material, right? So it's all not developed in the own Maruti company. So tires are from MRP, MRF. So lights are from different company, steering is from different company, nuts are from different company. Those are like raw materials. Okay, so then what production planning will do, again they will go to the inventory team. They will check whether raw materials are there or not. So here inventory team has all the information, like the ready products and the raw material products information. second. Okay, so where is it? Okay, so inventory team will have the information about the raw materials, about the stock. Okay, so let us assume raw material is also not there to build that product. Next, what production planning will do? Production planning will go to the vendor. Vendors are like nothing but the tire company. Suppose let us example tire, the light, the speakers. See, if you buy a car, the speaker is not manufactured by the Maruti company, right? It is some other company like Bose, JBL, some other companies. So those are vendors. Though the production planning team will go to those vendors and they will buy that raw material. Once the raw material are taken from the vendors, next the raw material will go to the shop floor team. So here the main manpower will be there here. So they will develop that product and they will inform the sales team like this, the particular product which you have requested is completed, so you can sell it. So then what sales team will do? Sales team will sell that product to customer. Customer will pay money to the sales team. The same information will be updated to the finance team, right? Like this much profit we got, so this product we have sell, so it is updated to finance team. Okay, so next here the production planning department has buy some raw materials, right? So it is not for free, right? Even company has to pay money to that vendor. So then what production planning will do? Production planning will inform to the finance team like we have buy some raw materials from the vendor, so please pay the money. So what finance team will do? Finance team will pay money to the vendor. Okay, so next coming to HR, which is this is very important one. So all these departments are connected to HR module again. Okay, why? Because see, production planning, suppose 3 people are there here. Okay, suppose one person is resigning from here, right? So this HR people responsibility is to hire one person from the market and put it in the production department. So this responsibility, HR responsibility, is to place the people in the departments whenever there is a requirement, right? So this scenario you understood, right? Any doubts in this?
No,
Understood, right? So if you have any doubts, even if it is small or big, you can ask me, so then only we can continue from this slide.
Sure.
So this is clear, right?
Yeah, clear.
Okay, so forget
Clear.
about SAP, forget about IT, everything, just the business. Okay, so this is clear. Next,
Yes.
the same example, we'll take it in another way. Okay, so the same one. Okay. It's not coming. 1 second. Okay, yes, the same example we'll take in another way. We'll talk about transactions. Transactions. Okay, so not this. Okay, One second, someone has joined, I guess. Okay. Yes. Okay. The same example we are taking for the transaction. So suppose customer requested wants some product from this company. Okay, he will go to the sales team, right? He will go to the sales team. Suppose he check with the inventory team, and that product is not available, right? Right, then what they will do, they will check with production team, production planning team. Then what happens, the production planning team will check for the raw materials and they develop the product and they will sell it to customer. Okay, so here what happening, from one department to other department, right? Some transaction is happening, some exchange of data. So some exchange of transaction is happening, like they are informing to inventory team, like we got some request from the customer about the product. So again the production planning team is going to inventory and checking whether the raw materials are there or not. So like this, many transactions are happening in the business. One second. So everyone has time, right? Slowly one after another joining. Hello, hi Nidima, good morning.
Hello, good morning. Sorry for late joining.
Okay, no problem. So Nidima, just about yourself, like name and you're from, and if you have any
Okay.
experience.
I'm Nilima Ranvirkar. I'm working as a SAP support consultant in Malpani Group uh,
Hmm.
last 4 years.
Okay, okay, good. Okay, so we just started our demo. Okay,
Okay.
I'm also recording the session. So you are in the middle, right? I will share that recording link to each and everyone after completing this demo. Okay, until now
Okay.
we have not discussed much, we just discussed like, so these are the topics we are going to discuss today about ERP, SAP, and
Okay.
ERP market, about the modules, about basis. We are learning basis and HANA only, right? About this. So I think you already know the business process. You are in working with company, you know the typical business process, how the process will be
Yes.
there, like sales,
Yes.
inventory. I think you already know about this, right? So just
Yeah.
I explained about this only. So next I am into this transaction. So what I'm doing, I'm just taking this as example and explaining again. Okay, so until here everyone are clear, right? Until this PPT at least.
Yes, yes, Rajesh.
Yes, right? Okay, so now transaction. So now here what happening, exchanging of data, exchanging of information happening in each and every department, and this is a continuous process, right? Customer will come, he'll ask about the product, sales team will yeah, Gaurav, hello. Sorry, I will not stop now because you may get confused. Okay, so customer will come and ask to the sales team. So this is a continuous process. Okay, so every time they are exchanging the data between the departments. Okay, so this is one of the business. So if you take any big business also, they have some process and they will follow that process for sure. Okay, so they will not go directly to the shop floor team without checking in the inventory, without checking in the production planning. Okay, so always follow this process only in every business, if you check anywhere in the world. Okay, so next, so here they are asking the information to the inventory team whether the particular product is there or not, right? So what they will do here, so they will one second. There will be one software. Where is this? There will be one software. He will enter that information here in the software, like this product is there or not. So that request will go to the inventory team. Next, the inventory team will check the stock. I said, right, inventory team will have all the information, whether they have stock, they have raw materials. Okay, so they will check. If the stock is not available, then they will go to the production planning team and they will say, like, we got a request, we need to develop a product. So here one more exchange has happened, so that also entered into a software. Okay, next, from here production planning does not have a product. Next, what they will do, they will go to the inventory and they will check for the raw materials whether available or not. From here again there is one more transaction, one more exchange of data is happening, so that also they will enter into SAP, software. Okay, so like this, each and every exchange, each and every transaction, we call it as transaction, will be entered into SAP. Why? Because suppose you are there, suppose anyone in this meeting, you are starting a business. Let us one small business, let us take example, one kirana store you are starting. So daily turnover for you is suppose 20,000, let us assume. So where you will enter the data, so you'll keep one book, right? You'll keep one book and you will note it every day. So this much I have sold, this much I have bought from the vendors, right? So you are there, right? You are not sleeping, right? Hello?
No, we are there.
Yes, Rajesh. Yes,
Okay,
Rajesh.
it is clear, right, for you, everyone?
Yes,
Clear,
sir.
clear, Rajesh. You can continue.
Okay,
Yes, yes.
okay. So so you're just maintaining the data in the book. So whatever you sell today, whatever you are taking from the vendors. So if you are keeping a kirana store, the products inside your kirana store is not yours, right? You are buying that from some vendors, correct? So so you'll keep all that information in book. So today you have started, today is 17 15 7 23. So after 2 months what happened, that book is gone, you forgot somewhere it lost. So what about your business? So do you know how much profits you got, how much money you have to pay to the vendors, how much money vendors has to pay for you? So that all information will be lost. You agree?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. So
Yes, yes.
you agree, right? uh, so for small business they will maintain like that. So when just think more now, suppose the business one second. Hello? Hi Priya, good morning. Able to hear my voice? Okay, let's continue. So that information will be lost and the person will no have a clue what, how much, and what is the profit, what is the loss, how much he has to pay, how much he has to get from the vendors or some other third parties. So he lost every information about his business. So the entire business is gone. So that is why people who has a business, right, if it is small, okay, you can maintain in book somewhere, but that is too risky, right? Every time it's too risky maintaining in book. So that's why people who has a business, definitely they will use one software to enter their day-to-day transactions. It's because suppose after if it is stored in a software in a very secure way, so after 1 year, if we want to check the sales of that particular month, 12 months before, what is the sales happened, so he can get that information right from the software.
Yes, yes, Rajesh.
Yeah, so that is the reason each and every business, each and every big business has a software to maintain their transactions. So the transactions are useful for checking the profits, checking the losses, how much money they have to give to the vendors, how much money they have to get from the vendors. Okay, the software which is used for the business process, so this is all like business process only, right? So the softwares which are used for the business process are called ERP softwares. Okay, so ERP is nothing but enterprise enterprise resource planning. Okay, so until here everyone are clear, right?
Yes.
Okay, so next, enterprise resource planning. So let's discuss about ERPs now. You know what is ERP? ERP is nothing but a software which is used for a business process. Okay, you can call it as group or a module, I can call it as like that. So let's if you continue it, then you will understand. So next, here is this module. Okay, okay, here so this is a small business. Okay, you are entering into book, and okay, you are keeping safe, and you are checking every month, every time, that is okay. So suppose your business has increased, currently your transactions are like only 10,000, maybe after 2 years it goes to 1 lakh, right? 1 lakh daily. So then the book is not enough for you to enter your daily transactions. Definitely you need a software. Okay, so then what the customer will do, customer means you. Okay, this is your business. So what you will do, you will go to the market and search, so what are the softwares are there in the market. Okay, so so you are doing only 1 lakh 2 lakhs transactions per day, right? 2 lakhs transactions. So there are many ERP softwares in the market, uh, which are cheap and which are very high paid one. Okay, so your business is just 2 lakhs, and if you buy a very high big software, no use, right? You have to maintain that software, maintenance cost will be very high. Okay, so what you'll do, you'll check for the little cheaper software. Okay, so you finally decided Tally. Anybody knows about Tally?
Yes, Rajesh.
Tally is ERP software. Any, apart from Rajesh, anybody heard about Tally?
It is a accounting section, no?
Yes,
Tally is
yes.
a finance tool to maintain the finance transactions.
Business transactions, yes. So Tally is a ERP software. So you can happily use Tally for your 2 lakhs business transaction. Okay, so next, so after 5 years you are doing so good in the market, your business has increased a lot. So now the transactions are increased and your business is also increased. Okay, more transactions, more business. Okay, Now
Correct.
earlier it is only 2 lakhs per month, so per day. Now it is going to 10 crore per day. Okay.
Okay, okay, Rajesh.
Next, so now you are using Tally. Where is it? Where is it? Okay. So if we are using Tally for 10 crore business transactions every day, Tally is not enough. This is not enough. Okay. So next, what you will do? Again you will go to the market. You will search for the softwares. What softwares are there uh, to handle my business transaction? Okay. So now there are many ERP softwares in the market. One second. Hi Veera, good morning.
Hey, Rajesh, good morning.
Yeah. Okay. So next, so there are many ERP softwares in the market. So you all are with me, right?
Yes, Rajesh.
Okay. So ERP, it's already done. It's not enough for your 10 crore business. Next, Salesforce. Anyone heard about this? Salesforce? Anyone? Salesforce?
Heard about
Microsoft. I'm just taking big names only, the ERP. So there are many ERP softwares in the market which are used for the day-to-day business transactions. Okay, so Salesforce is one of it, Oracle apps is one of it, Microsoft Dynamics. So you know, right, Microsoft, it's a very big company, so they also has a ERP software. Okay, etc. Even I don't know how many ERP softwares are there. So there are many in the ERP market, but few are very famous and very popular. Okay, so in this only SAP is also there. Okay, got it. So
Okay, Rajesh.
yeah, so ERP is nothing but a software. This it's this all softwares comes under ERP. So SAP is ERP software. Okay, Oracle Labs is ERP software. Dynamics is ERP. Salesforce is ERP. So all are ERP softwares only. Okay, so again you have a confusion. So these are all giants in the market. So you may have confusion, right? Or what to select, what SAP, what ERP I have to select for my 10 crore business. Okay, so let's think more. It's not even 10 crore. Let's take 1 lakh crore. Okay, 1 lakh crore monthly. Okay. Okay, so now you will research, right? You will research in the market. So for your business, which software is best? Okay, so you'll check about Salesforce, you'll check about ERP, Oracle Labs, Microsoft Dynamics, etc. Okay, so finally you decided to take SAP. Okay, why SAP? If I ask that customer why you have chosen SAP, they will clearly tell you why they have chosen SAP. Because I said these are also giants in the market already, okay, but the customer has chosen SAP. Why? Because when in a business process, okay, in a business process we have a different modules. You can call it as modules or departments, okay. So different: sales, inventory, finance, production, shop floor, HR, etc., etc. There are many more. I just, this is small example I have given, okay. There will be many more in the business process. So if you take SAP, this you can do all this work. Inventory work you can do, production planning work you can do, shop floor, HR, finance, everything you can do. It means every transaction, every department transactions you can enter into SAP. Okay. So when it comes to Salesforce, you can, it's just an example. See here, total 6 departments are there, okay. So you can enter all 5 except HR, okay. I'm just, this is an example, don't take it very seriously, okay. This is an example, okay. Next, coming to Oracle apps, okay. Sales and inventory modules will be not there, okay. If you take
Okay, Rajesh.
Microsoft Dynamics, that is it. Microsoft Dynamics. You may not have a module shop floor or some production planning, okay. So like this, so when you take some, if a customer is taking some other module, so others ERP software, he is not having this feature. If you take this software, he is not having these features. If you take this one, he is not having these features. So what in this case, suppose if a customer choose the Salesforce, this HR is not there, so again he has to go to market and the particular only HR module supported software he has to buy. So he has to maintain 2 softwares in his market, in his business, right. Individually he has to maintain 2 softwares for his business, so which is little difficult, right, for him, maintaining 2 software, Salesforce and other software. So if you take here, again one more software he has to buy, again he has to buy one more software. So for entire business, one software is not enough for him in this other softwares, other ERP software. When it's come to SAP, it is tightly integrated, and it supports all business modules. Got it, right? Why you selected SAP? So that is why SAP is world's #1 ERP software. With advanced features, they have many advanced features in the SAP. So due to supporting all the business modules, this is the world #1 ERP since many years still now, and nowadays it is going to advance a lot. So other ERP softwares are there, right? They are also competitors to SAP, but they can't even touch where the SAP is. So if you see, 60% of the world businesses, more than 60, will run on SAP. Businesses means their business transactions will run on SAP. Until here you are clear, right? No, just respond. I feel like you are
Yes,
sleeping.
yes, Rajesh.
Yes, Raj.
Okay. SAP. So I'm telling all this because just for the information, like how big SAP is. This is all not required for our basis and HANA classes. I'm just telling you, like, see, it's I'm not telling to join SAP like that. You should know whenever you are choosing any software to make your career, you should know about that software very clearly, how big it is, how the demand in the market, right? If see,
Yes.
that is 100% sure. You have to see all the factors, all how popular it is, how strongly established, so then only your job will be in a secured, right? So that is the main purpose I'm telling all this. You can get you can check in the internet also about SAP. You can get some videos. Okay, so this is 60. This is not my number. If you search in the internet also, you'll get this number. Okay, so next, anyone knows fortune companies? Anyone heard about fortune companies? Fortune, anyone? Fortune companies are the companies,
Which are in top 500.
yes, top 500 in the world. Top 500 in the world. So in this 500 companies, if you take 500 companies, top 500, 70% of the companies are using SAP only for their business. Got it, right? Okay.
Rajesh. Yes.
Yeah. So just imagine how big SAP is. Okay. So next, I have made one small PPT for you to know more about SAP insights. Let me share. So we are not talking about basis, HANA and the modules, just about SAP. Okay, next we'll talk about that also. Yes, able to see my screen, right?
Yes, we can see that.
Yes, Rajesh.
Yes. Okay, so SAP, market leader in ERP. Yes, obviously it is a market leader because it is ruling the ERP world, having more than 60% businesses running on SAP software. Okay, next, about SAP. SAP stands for System Applications Products in Data Processing. So please do not tell it as SAP. Okay, so that is must and should. You always spell it as SAP only. Okay, next, I said already, it is a business software to use. It is used for day-to-day transactions in the company. Okay, it is founded in the year 1972 with 5 ex-employees of IBM in Germany. It's a German company. Okay, it is founded first in the Germany. So the 5 IBM at the time, right, in 1972, there is no big ERP software. There is only one software which is founded, they called MRP, so which is not much famous, and it has lot of drawbacks. So these people has some idea and they thought to implement. So they came out of IBM and they developed this software, and now it is a number one ERP in the world. Next, SAP. SAP is not just company software, it is a company actually. One second, someone is trying to join. Okay, where is it? Okay, so SAP is a company name. Okay, so they developed this SAP software for business transactions. It is nothing but an ERP software. Okay, and it's spread over 180 countries with 1 million plus SAP employees around the world. See, more than 40,000 companies around the globe are using SAP for running their business, which is almost 60 to 70% of the ERP market. Okay, so you are clear, right, on these points? Any doubts?
No. Yes, we are clear.
Okay. Next, it is one of the top brands in the IT industry by having very strong footprint. Okay, yes, obviously it is a market leader having tightly integration with all the core business modules. As I said, right, SAP has a feature that it supports all the modules in the business, like finance, HR, SD, sales, everything. And it is one of the oldest and biggest in the IT market. And it has a brand, it has a brand image as equal to the giant companies like Apple, Google, Microsoft, Amazon, and other big companies. Yes, let's see when it is established. It is established in 1972, even before Apple, Google, and Amazon. Okay, so even today Apple will use SAP to run their business. Even Google will use SAP software to run their business. Amazon will use SAP software to run their business. Microsoft also use SAP to run their business. Let us assume you know the brand, obviously Apple is a big brand. It's a number one brand in the world, everyone knows, right? So it produces mobiles, iPhones, which is very famous, and it's a number one brand. Obviously, when comparing to the revenue, Apple is the number one in the world. Sorry, as I think people are joining in middle. Okay. Okay, I have to start. Yeah, so these all big brands are using SAP only for their business. So let us assume Apple. So you know Apple has many branches around the world, right? Around the world. So suppose there is a branch in Hyderabad, okay, big branch. So they their air conditioner AC is not working, okay, in their one of the branch in Hyderabad. Okay, so what they will do next? So it is an old, so they want to buy a new one, right? So what they will do, so they will not, the branch department manager will not take money from that box and he'll go to a shop and buy the AC. See, just 50,000 to 1 lakh AC, it's a very small thing to Apple company, right? But they will not do like that. They enter the transaction into SAP, then it has to be approved by the finance team. finance team has to release the funds to that branch department, then only that branch department talks with the vendor, then only that AC will comes into that branch. So that is a process. So even a pencil, suppose even a marker in a training room, in an Apple training room, so they want to buy a marker, so for that also they will raise a PR request, purchase request in the SAP system. It goes to finance, it approves, funds will be released, then it goes to vendor, the vendor will supply the marker. Even a marker also they cannot buy on their own. So by this what happens, business will run very securely. So if a branch manager wants to buy, it's his own, he has to buy his own money, but no use right for him to buying his with own money. So they always use this process. Not only Apple, even every company will do the same. Okay, you understood, right?
Okay, okay, Rajesh. Okay, understood.
Yes.
Next, yes. So these are the five IBM employees who came out from IBM and started SAP in 1972. This is just for your information. Okay, so yeah, this is I think it's wrong number 70, it is 77. Okay, correct, only 70. So top 70% of Fortune companies using software, SAP software, running the business. Yeah, even top Indian, not only a top 500 companies using SAP, even top Indian companies are also using SAP only. So these are the big brands, BMW, Benz, Volkswagen, Toyota, Coca-Cola, many, Nestle, Cadbury, there are many, I can't even mention that names here. So these are all also running on SAP. Vodafone, Bosch, Infosys, Nissan, Walmart having a separate team, internal team, very big SAP they are using. Nestle, they are premium customers to SAP. So in India, almost all automobile industries are running on SAP only. Got the information? It is clear, right? Even Titan watch company, Colgate paste, that is a very big customer to SAP, Colgate. Next, according to SAP, 77% of world business transactions touches SAP system. You understood this point?
Yeah, Rajesh. Yeah.
World business transactions touches SAP system only. So it means uh, in the in the globe, around the globe, 77% transactions are entered, business transactions are entered in SAP system. So just imagine how big the SAP network is. And SAP is the highest selling software in the USA since many years, and it continuously acquires many small companies. So what SAP is doing, they are acquiring small companies also. So they are already good in the ERP market by giving the best ERP software. So what other small companies like, see, Facebook is there, it is running very successfully long back, but a few years later, after few years, WhatsApp came into picture. So that is very famous now. So what Facebook has done, that is also one social networking type of, right? So they acquired that. So now WhatsApp is Facebook product. Okay, now Instagram is also kind of social network, right? So what they did, they acquired it. So Instagram is also a Facebook product. The same way, the small companies, they develop some software which is used for the business. So that is suppose that is getting very famous. What SAP will do, SAP will try to acquire that SAP that small business company, so that it also become a SAP product. So like that, they have acquired many good companies, small companies, which are also famous, like Success Factor. Anyone heard about Success Factor? Anyone? People who are working in organizations? Anyone? Okay, no problem. Next, so actually I could not able to mention all the points, so this is the link. Actually, if you go through this link, right, you'll understand what SAP is. Yes, so top companies that use SAP, that is USA are using SAP, comparing to more SAP comparing to other companies. Even in Germany also, see, it started Germany, but Germany is also way long, but yes, USA is using more SAP for their businesses. So there is very good market, job opportunities in USA comparing to other countries. But it is not like that. Opportunities are there anywhere in the world when you are working on SAP. One second. Yeah, this slide is done, right? This is also done. Yes, so according to IT companies revenue in 2023, SAP stands at rank 5 after Oracle. So Oracle, you know, it's a very famous company. It generates a very big revenue. So then after SAP is standing, and it is listed in stock market as well long back in 2002. Yes, until now we discussed about SAP. Now we'll see how SAP screen is. Okay, so connecting to SAP, we required a front end tool called SAP GUI, which has to be installed in your local laptop. It means in my local laptop I have to install the GUI, which is a front end tool. Okay, so that front end tool looks like this one, SAP logon. Okay, so when you double click on it, it will be like this. You have to add a systems. Here you can see dev and solman, right? You have to add a systems by giving some specific IP address. Okay, so then once you double click on dev, it will give a login screen. It will ask for the username and password. You have to give. Next, this is the screen of SAP. So here on the left side you
Yeah,
can
Rajesh, I have one doubt.
yes.
So we require S password, like we install the SAP
Mm.
software.
Mm.
So in SAP GUI, we don't have any S password.
You have installed SAP. Okay.
So from
Mm.
Yeah,
yeah, SAP,
Okay. Okay. So what you're telling, you have installed SAP system, but
yeah,
after installation, so what is the user ID password,
okay.
right?
It's installed from support.com.
Okay.
that is the service marketplace, no?
Yeah, service marketplace.
Okay. Okay. Let me clear your doubt. So you have installed SAP system. Yes, obviously you don't have any ID to log in, but
Yeah, okay.
when you install a fresh SAP system, uh, few default users will be created. So you have to log into the default users, then you have to create your own IDs, then you have to log in into SAP. Clear?
Okay, Rajesh.
Clear, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's all. Any questions, team? Everyone? Any questions? Anyone? Shubham, you are there?
Yeah, hi Rajesh. Hello.
Uh, Shubham, I think this is useful. You're already into SAP. I think I'm not sure whether this is useful for you or not.
It's okay. It's all right. Actually, Rajesh, I have a doubt regarding CRM. Actually, you have taken the example of Salesforce.
Hmm.
Salesforce isn't an ERP software. It's a
Hmm.
CRM software.
CRM
So
software. Hmm.
yeah. So what's the difference between ERP and CRM? Because in CRM there are customer relationship management happen.
Hmm. Yes.
So like we can take example of Salesforce in ERP or not?
Yes, ERP. It is ERP software only. See, you are telling CRM. I thought to tell this point also, I forgot. Salesforce CRM. CRM is customer relationship management. Okay.
Yeah.
So in SAP we have different products. SAP we have different products. FICO, MM,
Yeah. Yeah,
SD,
yeah,
like this.
definitely. I know, like each CRM is there in SAP too.
Hmm.
So that's what I'm asking. Like, Salesforce isn't an ERP. What like I have listened about.
Hmm.
It's a CRM software. It just like accumulates all
Hmm.
the points which you have said, inventory and
Hmm.
all those things except HR. So
Yes.
that's what the difference between CRM software and ERP software, or does it stand different things for different purposes?
Yeah, I
Both
will tell
only.
you. See, both are same. Both are same. CRM, here CRM same, customer relationship management. But
Okay.
in Salesforce we have many other modules also, but CRM is very famous in the Salesforce comparing to SAP.
Okay. Okay.
Only this module is famous in CRM.
Okay, okay,
Okay.
fine. Yeah, got
So CRM, what CRM is, I said we have taken this example, right? CRM, customer relationship management. So in that CRM system, so they will maintain all the customer details, nothing but customer details. So so after 1 year they can check what customer has bought. So they will store all the customer relation information like mobile number, their contact details, everything. So that is CRM system. So CRM is most famous product in Salesforce, and it is number one again. Only for CRM, not for others.
yeah, got it.
Got
Fine.
it right?
Yeah.
Customer relationship management. It contains the customer information only. Okay. In SAP also CRM is there, but it has lot more features. Okay.
Okay.
Actually, I thanks for remembering. I thought to tell about this also. That's why I mentioned
Rajesh,
Salesforce.
CRM is only related for CRM products only.
CRM, not products. It's for
The
customer. Custom.
related executables only CRM is supported.
Yes, customer related information only. It will be there inside CRM system.
SAP means it supported all the components.
Yes, SAP will support all the core components. This is a separate system again in SAP. If you are telling about SAP,
Okay.
this is suppose is I think this is not the stage to explain all this. FICO is, if you take ECC system, you will get all core modules, STFIMM, everything, right? If you install S4 HANA, you'll get all core modules. But CRM is a separate system. It's a separate software. Again, you have to install it. So this is not important now. Going forward, we can see.
Yeah, Rajesh.
Hmm.
So CRM is undergoes to business suite solutions, is
Hmm.
right?
Yes, it's totally
Yeah.
business suite which used to store a customer information.
Okay, okay,
Customer, totally a customer related system. This is
okay.
okay. So until here, everyone are clear, right? Any doubts?
Rajesh,
Hmm.
once
Yes.
we install SAP system, we get a default clients also, no?
No, that now that is not the topic now. This is just a demo. We are not at that stage until clients. That is different. Later we can discuss. This is just a demo, right? Okay. Everyone are clear on this
Yeah,
about
Rajesh.
Yes,
about
Rajesh.
about business
Yes,
process,
Rajesh.
how business will go.
Yes, Rajesh.
So if you have an
Yes, yes.
okay, right? Yeah, don't hesitate. If you have small or a big doubt, or face any kind of doubt, right, you can tell me. We can discuss, no problem. I have time. It's clear, right, for everyone, especially for the people who are new to SAP.
Yes, it's clear.
Clear, right? Okay. Okay, now let's jump into our main one. We discussed about this, what this is, what is SAP so big, why SAP is. Now SAP modules. Let's come to SAP modules. Let's come to SAP module. See, if meeting is disconnected, right, please join to this meeting link. I'll ping you once again for the new people, the chat. Just save it in your any notepad. If this meeting get disconnected, you can join to this meeting. Okay. Yeah, let's come to SAP modules. SAP modules are divided into two. Okay, next. Okay, so divided into two. One is technical, other is functional. Okay, so when it comes to technical, basis, which is our module, ABAP, security. Okay, so these are the technical modules. When it's come to functional, SD, MM, FICO, PP, QM, lot more functional modules out there. So I have a question. So I just see the link, like it is a demo for Basis and HANA. So you people have joined. So why you have joined? I need an answer from few people. I want the answer, like why you have joined to the demo of SAP Basis. What do you know about SAP Basis? Anyone? People who are already working, not required. To the new people, totally new to SAP. Any idea?
This is even a business application system integration system.
Okay.
It's mainly server installation, patching, user ID creation.
Okay, so be little loud. I cannot able to hear.
It's maintain the server installations and patching the servers, user ID creations, and the role the security side. You need to create the password reset, user ID creations.
Okay.
That will take care of basis team.
Okay, so any other in this meeting? Speak out, no problem. I will not tell anything to you if you are wrong or right. Just speak out. Okay, so much of silence, no problem. I will tell you why. I'm not telling about you why you have joined. I'm just telling my personal how I selected this basis. Okay, so yes,
Hello.
yes, please.
First of all, these are SAP. I heard from my brother Jagdish. He created interest to learn SAP. Many tasks we have to solve. So many software there are. This why I selected SAP means uh, s- uh, through SAP we can through SAP uh, we can in SAP so many modules are there. Basing on those modules, we can do our task easily.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Sorry if I'm saying wrong means
No problem.
sorry.
No problem. You came front and you're talking. That is appreciated. No problem. So any other who wants to?
So I hear the SAP from my brother.
Hmm.
So I do system monitoring for 6 months in support project.
Okay.
So because using T codes, it's very using easy for SAP.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
So I know. So I'm interested on
Okay.
for
Okay. Srilata, from whom you got the link to join?
Shiva.
Shiva. Okay. Okay. Shiva. Sorry, I forgot. He is working in DevOps, right now?
Yeah, I think he is a SAP senior consultant.
SAP senior consultant. Okay.
I don't know particularly about him.
Uh-huh. Okay, okay, okay. No problem. Okay, thanks for the information. Okay, let us, I will tell my personal experience. Why I selected basis. See, I completed my BTech in 2015. As you know, I am from triple E background, which is totally new to IT. I don't know anything, any coding, nothing. Okay, so so I want a software which has zero coding. I don't know anything about coding because my background is different, triply. Okay, so I don't coding. So when you select a app, it's totally coding module. Okay, security, yes, we learn security also with basis. It is not just basis plus security. Okay, we will learn these also in these classes. Okay, coming to SD, MM, FICO, PPQM. If you want to learn, these modules, you should have where is that PPT? You should have a knowledge of the domain. Where is it? Okay, yeah, see here you can see
Yeah,
different,
that
right? Mm.
NetWeaver is also comes into technical module.
Which one?
NetWeaver.
Yes, NetWeaver, yes, that also comes into net technical only, but you may get confused, so that's why I have not mentioned.
Okay.
Yeah, okay, so main basis only, the basis only will deal with NetWeaver installations, everything. So if
Okay.
you just remember this, that is enough.
Okay.
Like this, that is enough, no need to mention again NetWeaver here. Okay, so if I want to learn SDMM, FICO, PP, I should have a knowledge working in these departments in any of the business company. So as I'm a fresher, just passed out, I don't have any experience, industry experience, right? So I don't know anything about sales, inventory, production planning, shop floor, HR, finance. Okay, so I cannot select these modules. Okay, so then again I had a doubt when I taking this basis. What is the prerequisite to learn basis? Anyone got this doubt? Coding is not there. Okay, happy. Next, what is the prerequisite to learn basis module? Anyone can answer? Two seconds time for you.
I think there is nothing.
Okay, so nothing, no prerequisite.
No,
Silent.
zero knowledge.
Yes, so we don't require any background knowledge for learning SAP basis. If you know just a basic thing, like how to start your laptop, how to stop your laptop, how to do copy files from one folder to another folder, that knowledge is enough to start SAP basis. So that's why I have chosen basis. So this is my personal experience, so I have shared with you. Okay, so so until here everything is clear, right? Hello, hello.
Yes, yes, Raji.
Yes, Rajesh.
Okay, everything is clear right now. So modules are clear, technical modules, functional modules, now you are aware. Now let's go to basis, which is main. Why we choose basis, just we explained, right? This is done. So let's see what is basis. See, so basis stands for business application software integrated solutions. So it means this is used to integrate our SAP application to the OS. So just a small definition to it, it is used to integrate an application to the OS where SAP is installed. So that's all. So it is an admin module. It is an admin module. In SAP, basis administrators are called as administrators, SAP administrators. Okay, so what are the roles? Roles and responsibilities of basis administrator. First, installation of SAP. So suppose if you want to install a VLC player, you'll just go to Chrome and you just install it, right? You just VLC download, the file will be downloaded, next. That's all, right?
Yeah, Rajesh.
If you want to install a VLC player in the laptop, what you'll do, you'll just download the software and you'll just click next and it will be installed in your laptop, right? Okay, so that is a small software we can install. But coming to SAP, there is a process to install it. Okay, where we will install that, where this SAP is installed, that I will discuss later. Okay, main responsibilities I'm talking about. Installations, so you have done the installation. Okay, next, nowadays, suppose you have installed a Redbus app today, and after 1 or 2 months, if you try to open it, asks to update, right? So you are responsible to upgrade SAP system. Okay, next, this is an application. SAP is an application. Okay, it is not database, just remember, it is not database. Okay, so it has to run on some database. Every application, if you take any application, Redbus, Book My Show, anything, IRCTC, every application has a database for sure, but we don't know, that's all. What is a database for Redbus? We don't know. Just we are an end user and we are using Redbus to book a tickets, that's all. Okay, so SAP is also same. It's an application and it will run on one database. Okay, so this database installation is done by basis only. It means we only. Next, again, same as application, database also gets an updates. DB upgrades. Okay, next. Okay, now everything is set up, everything is fine. Now daily you are the main person to check the performance of the SAP system. So this is just an overview. Okay, like you will be installing, upgrading SAP system, database installations, DB upgrades, checking the performance of SAP system and DB. Okay, next, and you are responsible for taking backups. Backups of DB. So whatever the transactions are entered in SAP, that gets saved into DB only, not in application layer. It gets saved in the DB. So that transactions we will take a backup. Okay, and we'll save it somewhere. Suppose if anything happens to this DB and we are not taking the backups, then imagine the position you are in. So his whole entire business gone. Okay, understood, right? Until here everyone are clear?
Yes, Rajesh. Yes.
Okay, so these are our main responsibilities. Okay, so being a fresher, suppose people are there who are totally new to SAP, so they will not get installation work, they will not get an upgrade work, they will not get DB installation work, DB upgrade work. Okay, their work will be like monitoring, SAP system, only monitoring SAP system. Okay, so what they will do when they log into this shift, okay, just they log in to the system and check all the performance related transactions. So just they will make some report and they will send it to customer. It's clear? It is clear?
Yeah, Rajesh.
Yes. So this is for freshers. So slowly, years gone, you are now 4 years of experience. You have 4 years of experience. Slowly you'll get a chance to get involved in doing the installations. Okay, slowly you'll get a chance to involve in upgrades. Okay, like 5 years DB installation. This is just an example. Okay, don't feel like until 3 years you will not get any work. Okay, if you are joining to a big company, any big company in the market, for a freshers they don't have a chance to work more. If you are in a small company, just in a 1 year you will get a chance to do the installation, you will get a chance to do the DB installation. So I always suggest to everyone, not only you, in a initial careers when you are a fresher, please don't join to big companies. You'll you'll not have any big idea about it, about anything, because they won't involve the senior people, like they won't involve much, like you don't know how, what is happening, what is that software exactly. So when you are working in a small company, like everything will be in your hands, so you'll know entire thing what happening. So okay, what is this system? Okay, so this is just an example. I am not telling like big companies are bad, they are very good in their features. In small companies that is different. Okay, just I am telling an example. scope of work will be more, in small, be more in small companies comparing to big. That is 100%. Okay, yeah, until here you are clear, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I think today we have covered all the topics. What is ERP, what is SAP, what is the business process, and what is SAP and its history, and why it is a leader in the ERP market, that we have discussed. So I think it is more than 1.5 hours, right? So you may also feel bored if I continue more. So I think that's all for today. So tomorrow also I am planning to take one more demo, so then after you people can decide. And one more thing I want to highlight, uh, people who already has a good communication. Okay, so people who has less communication, right? So they have to practice. It is equally important, it is very very equally important. Suppose you are doing 100% in learning SAP, but you are not good in communication, then no use. 100% no use. See, because we are a basis admin. We are a basis admin, as I said. Where is that PPT? Yes, so we are a basis admin, so we work individually, so there is no dependency for us with other modules. Okay, with ABAP we never connect, not required much. SD not required, MM not required, so we are an individual module. Okay, so all the people, right, SD, MM, so they are dependent on us, they are dependent on security. Okay, if they have any issues, first they will come to basis only, because we are the admins to SAP. So you will be having lot of calls, so around the globe people will connect with you, so it is very very important to have a good communication. So that is very important, I want to highlight that point. Yeah, that's all from my side. Anything else? Tomorrow also I'm planning to keep one more demo on, like, so until now SAP is a business software. It is used to run the business by entering day-to-day transactions. So next, what we discuss tomorrow, what are servers, sorry, where we install SAP, and few points about Linux. Anyone heard about Linux?
I know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Rajesh.
Okay, so people who are new, right, we can discuss this tomorrow. What is server, where we install this SAP? Until now we are talking, okay, this business is using SAP, they are entering transactions into SAP. We have seen the SAP screen also, but where that SAP is installed, how we'll get the screen, that we will discuss tomorrow. And if we have time, we'll discuss about cloud topics also. Cloud topics like AWS, Azure, GCP, Google Cloud. So we'll talk about this also tomorrow. So then after we can finish our demo. Okay, it's clear, right, until here?
Yes, Rajesh.
How cloud is nowadays, this is getting very famous. How these are getting very famous, that we will discuss tomorrow. Okay, so yeah, until now any questions you can ask me, I'll be there. We can talk, or else one second, you can take this number 9032307599. This is my number, just take a screenshot. 90. Okay, you can call me on my mobile if you have any doubts. Okay, you can take the screenshot. Anything? See, I'm waiting. I'm very interested in the interaction. If you're just sitting silent and just listening, for me it will be little boring. I don't understand whether you people are really listening or you're sleeping. Hope you're not sleeping, right?
No, Rajesh.
Yeah. So yeah, any doubts you can ask me, or I have given this number, right? You can call me on this number. I will clear your doubts. And tomorrow at the same time again 9 we'll plan. Actually I planned it at 8, but I I experienced it with Shubham like already, not to take little.
Actually, that was 7, Rajesh.
Okay, that is very fast. Okay, so 9 is okay, right, everyone? 8 is also okay for you?
Eight,
No, no, no.
eight is little bit difficult.
9 is available for.
Okay, 9. Okay, 9. Majority is 9, so 9. Okay, so tomorrow at 9 o'clock, please connect to the same link. See, I think it is working. It is more than at what time? 9 o'clock, right? We started. It is more. Yeah, it is more than 1.5 hours, but still the meeting is not ended. So I think this is working. So no problem. We can connect to the same link tomorrow also, and we can finish the demo.
Okay, Rajesh.
We'll discuss on these topics tomorrow. Yeah. So this is the main thing, communication. I said again, I'm saying communication. This is very important because I am experiencing. Actually, I'm in panel. I am taking some interviews. In the last 3 to 4 months, I have taken almost 20 to 30 interviews. I have seen few people are they know the answer, but they cannot able to say. I know that the person knows the answer, but I cannot select him because of the communication. Because if I select, he has to talk with the people around the world. If he are not able to communicate, then again it comes to me, Rajesh, why you selected that person. So this is very important, as SAP you are learning. Okay, I am telling again, you have to improve if anyone are little weak in the communication. So even we came from your stage only, we are very bad when we started our careers. So but slowly when you are talking with the people, right, you'll improve automatically. So try to watch English news, try to read newspapers, and try to communicate in English. So automatically you communication will be increased. Yep, that's all from my side. Anything else? You can ask me. I'm there, I'm available. Today is off only for me, so no work. Yeah, coming to me, right, I have experience in implementations and support projects. I have done almost 4 to 5 end-to-end implementations. Like this is a customer, he wants to install SAP, so we are the people. we have a team, basis team, SD, FI, all the modules people will go to that customer and they will install that SAP system. So I am also one of the person in that. So that's why only I can able to explain all this. If I am in a support project, right, I don't know anything about this, just monitoring T code, just sending the report to customer. So I was into implementations, so I have this experience how the implementations will done in a real time, so I can able to explain all this. That is the reason. Okay, yeah, that's all from my side. Anything else?
Rajesh ji,
Yeah, Gaurav, tell me.
is GRC is related to basis or not?
No, it is a separate. One more thing.
Security.
1 second. Let me explain about
GRC
that
is a
also.
security. Cyber
Uh,
security.
no, not cyber security. See, GRC, it is a advanced thing in security. So actually, we are basis, right? If we know basis, that is enough. Okay. If there is a jobs on security also, but only with security it's not enough. They need extra
Hello.
GRC. With security they have to learn GRC also. So it is not our work, Gaurav. If you want to learn GRC, yes, you can learn and you can put that in the resume like I am a basis, security and GRC. So then the resume weightage will be more. But this is not required for basis if you ask. Even the security is also not required. I am working in one company now. Uh, I am not able to access the security T codes. In previous companies, I was doing both security and basis work. But in few companies, right, basis are separate, security are separate. They will not allow to access the transactions. So yes, if you want to make a career into security only, you have to learn GRC also. Just with security, no use. Clear to everyone?
Okay.
Yes. And coming to these modules, SD, FI, FICO. I'm said, right, I don't have any domain knowledge, so I have not chosen this. Okay, but it is but we can choose this modules also, but we have to put some more effort, that's all. It not like it is not at all understandable. There are many friends working with me. They have done triple E's, they have done CSC, and they are into SD, which is totally different. Okay, so it is not like impossible. You can learn these modules also, but you have to know the domain knowledge. You have to put some more efforts, that's all. Got it right? So
Yeah.
I'm keep on asking again. Any questions?
As of now, no, Rajesh.
Okay. Harish, any questions? Arjun, hi Arjun, you're from? Hello? Hello? Okay, no problem. Next, Rajesh, you're clear, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, you can call me anytime if you have any doubts. So people who are new,
Sure.
they can call me at any time to that number. You have saved, you have taken the screenshot, right? This is my number, 9032307599. Yeah, that's all from my side. If you have anything else, yes, tell me, we can discuss. Shoot. Nilima, so this, I think you already aware of all this, but is this useful, this information for you?
Yes.
Okay,
Just I want to one question.
Hmm.
For we decided to learn GRC,
Hmm.
there is a requirement of coding or what?
No, no coding. When you choose GRC, no coding. It's also like admin module
Oh,
only. Like security people
oh,
will create users in SAP, so they are also like administrators, but they call it as
oh,
security. So no coding, nothing required.
okay,
For these
okay.
modules also, no coding. SDMMFI, no coding.
Right, right,
Coding will be there
right. Yeah,
only in ABAP module. Yeah, someone
yeah.
someone is telling something. Mm, Ishwar, you are clear, right?
Yeah, yes, Rajesh.
Okay, okay. Yeah, I think I'm done from my side. We'll connect tomorrow again to discuss about these topics, which are very interesting topics nowadays. Okay.
Okay, Rajesh, thank you.
Yeah, thanks everyone.
Thank you,
Okay,
Rajesh.
Rajji, thank you so much.
Yeah, thanks so much. Bye.
Yeah,